Chapter 11 Measuring Time Learning Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to know about AM and PM, convert days into hours, hours into minutes, and minutes into seconds, represent time in 12 hours and 24 hours, clock time, add and subtract time, warm up, observe the clock and take the correct time. It's 3:30. It's 4:30. It's 5:30. It's 2:30. It's 3:30. It's 1:15. It's 4:45. It's 4:45. It's 5:45. It's 10:30. It's 8:30. It's 9:30. It's 1 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 12:30. It's 12 o'clock. It's 11:45. It's 3 o'clock. It's 1/4. It's 12 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 12:30. To know how to measure time is very important aspect in our daily life. Time helps us to prepare our daily schedule in an orderly manner. As we know, dial, the face of the clock, is known as dial. Division. There are 12 equal big divisions labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 on the face of the clock. Each big division is divided into 5 equal small division. Total number of division on the face of clock equals to 12 into 5 equals to 60. Clock hand. Clock has two hands. Minute hand, longer hand. Hour hand, shorter hand. Movement of minute hand. Minute hand takes 1 minute to move from one small division to the next small division. Thus, minute hand covers 60 small division. One round on the face of clock in 1 hour. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Movement of hour hand. Our hand takes 1 hour to move from one big division, one number to the next big division. Thus, our hand covers 12 big division, one round on the face of clock in 12 hours. Our hand takes 2 full rounds in a day. 1 day equals to 24 hours. Quick tip. 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Also 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. The movement of our hand and minute hand helps us to read or measure time. The following example will help us to read the time. Solved example. Example 1. What time does the following figure of the clock shows? Solution. A. In this figure, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 2. The time is 2 o'clock. It can also be written as 2 or 2 o'clock. B. In this figure, minute hand is at 6. So, the minute hand moves 6 into 5 equals to 30 small division. The hour hand is between 7 and 8. So, the time is between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock. The time is 7:30. It can also be written as 7:30 or 7:30 or 30 minutes past 7 or 30 minutes to 8. C. In this figure, minute hand is at 3. So, the minute hand moves 3 into 5 equals to 15 small division. The hour hand is between 5 and 6. So, the time is 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. The time is 5:15. It can also be written as 5:15 or 15 minutes past 5 or 5:15. D. In this figure, minute hand is at 9. So, the minute hand moves 9 into 5, 45 small division. The hour hand is between 3 and 4. So, the time is between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. The time is 3:45. It can also be written as 3:45 or 45 minutes past 3 or 4:45. E. In this figure, minute hand is at 8. So, the minute hand moves 8 into 5, 40 small divisions. The hour hand is between 10 and 11. So, the time is between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. The time is 10:40. It can also be written as 10:40 or 40 minutes past 10 or 20 minutes to 11. F. In this figure, minute hand is at third small division after the number 7. So, the minute hand moves 7 into 5 plus 3, 38 small division. The hour hand is between 5 and 6. So, the time is between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. the time is 5:38. It can also be written as 5:38 or 38 minutes past 5 or 22 minutes to 6. Exercise 11.1. Question 1. What time do the following figures of the clock show? Write in any two different ways. A. 6, 6 o'clock. B. 12, 12 o'clock. C. 10:30, 30 past 10. Question 2. Draw the minute hand and hour hand on the following clocks to show the given time. A. 4:20, B. 10 o'clock, C. quarter past 1. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. A. 12 equals to 12 o'clock. B. half past 5, 30 minutes to 6. C. quarter to 8, 45 minutes past 7. D. quarter past 3, 3:15. E. 50 minutes past 4, 10 minutes to 5. F. 48 minutes past 9, 12 minutes to 10. Facts to know. The term o'clock is a contraction of the term of the clock. It comes from 15th century references to medieval mechanical clocks. Use of AM and PM. As we know, AM or AM stands for anti-meridian. PM or PM stands for post-meridian. The hour hand moves twice a day. When the time is 12 o'clock, it may be in noon or at midnight. If the 12 o'clock is in the noon, then the time is 12 noon. If the clock is at midnight, then the time is 12 midnight. Teacher's note: apprise student that the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted by AM and the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is denoted by PM. Example: 5 o'clock in the evening is denoted by 5 p.m. 5 o'clock in the morning is denoted by 5 a.m. Solved example. Example 1. Write the following time using AM or PM. A. 8:30 in the morning. B. 11 o'clock in the morning. C. 4:15 in the evening. D. 9:40 in the night. E. 45 minutes after noon. F. 2:25 after midnight. Solution: A. 8:30 a.m. B. 11 a.m. C. 4:15 p.m. D. 9:40 p.m. E. 12:45 p.m. F. 2:25 a.m. Example 2. What time it will be? A. After 6 hours of 7 a.m. B. Before 2 hours of 8 p.m. Solution: A. After 6 hours of 7 a.m. the time will be 1 p.m. B. Before 2 hours of 8 p.m. the time will be 6 p.m. Exercise 11.2. Question 1. Write the following time using AM or PM. A. 7:10 in the morning AM. B. 40 minutes after noon PM. C. 6:20 in the evening PM. D. 12:20 in the midnight AM. E. 3:16 after midnight AM. F. 12:15 in the afternoon PM. Question 2. What time it will be? A. After 10 minutes of 12:15 PM. 1:05 PM. B. After 2 hours of 4 PM. 6 AM. C. Before 4 hours of 8 PM. 4 PM. D. Before 5 minutes to 12 noon. 11:55 AM. E. Before 5 minutes of 12 midnight. 11:55 PM. F. After 3 hours of 9 p.m. 12 p.m. Addition and subtraction of time. Addition and subtraction of time is somewhat similar to normal addition and subtraction respectively. Remember, in short, hours are denoted as HRS, minutes are denoted as MINs, seconds are denoted as sec. Solved examples. Example 1. At 6 hours 12 minutes and 12 hours 30 minutes. Solution: Step 1. Write in correct column. Step 2. Add minutes. 12 plus 30 equals to 42 minutes. Step 3. Add hours. 6 plus 2 equals to 8 hours. Sum equals to 8 hours 42 minutes. Example 2. Add 42 minutes 20 seconds and 12 minutes 19 seconds. Solution: Step 1. Write in correct columns. Step 2. Add seconds. 20 plus 19 equals to 39 seconds. Step 3. Add minutes. 42 plus 12, 54 minutes. Sum: 54 minutes 39 seconds. Example 3. Add 2 hours 49 minutes 12 seconds and 3 hours 56 minutes 39 seconds. Solution. Step 1. Write in correct column. Step 2. Add seconds. 12 plus 39 equals to 51 seconds. Step 3. Add minutes. 49 plus 56. 105 minutes equals to 60 minutes plus 45 minutes equals to 1 hour plus 45 minutes. Write 45 in minutes column and 1 hour as the carry in hours column. Step 4. Add hours. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 6 hours. Sum 6 hours 45 minutes 51 seconds. Example 4. Subtract 6 hours 23 minutes from 8 hours 46 minutes. Solution. Step 1. Write in correct columns. Step 2. Subtract minutes. 46 minus 23 minutes. Step 3. Subtract hours. 8 minus 6 2 hours. Difference 2 hours 23 minutes. Example 5. Subtract 42 minutes 29 seconds from 60 minutes 36 seconds. Solution. Step 1. Write in correct columns. Step 2. Subtract seconds. 36 minus 29 7 seconds. Step 3. Subtract minutes. 60 minus 42 18 minutes. Difference 18 minutes 7 seconds. Example 6. Subtract 2 hours 42 minutes 18 seconds from 4 hours 57 minutes 6 seconds. Solution. Step 1. Write in correct columns. Step 2. Subtract seconds. We cannot subtract 18 from 6, so we take 1 minute as a borrow from minutes column. So 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 60 plus 6 66 seconds. Now 66 minus 18 equals to 48 seconds. Step 3. Subtract minutes. 56 minus 42 equals to 14 minutes. Step 4. Subtract hours. 4 minus 2 equals to 2 hours. Difference 2 hours 14 minutes 48 seconds. Exercise 11.3. 1. Add the following: A. 12 hours 25 minutes and 8 hours 20 minutes. 20 hours 45 minutes. B. 6 hours 40 minutes and 2 hours 53 minutes. 9 hours 33 minutes. C. 10 minutes 20 seconds and 12 minutes 59 seconds. 23 minutes 19 seconds. D. 58 minutes 23 seconds and 49 minutes 28 seconds. 1 hour 47 minutes 51 seconds. E. 6 hours 21 seconds and 4 hours 17 seconds. 10 hours 38 seconds. F. 9 hours 2 seconds and 5 hours 59 seconds. 14 hours 1 minute 1 second. G. 2 hours 29 minutes 10 seconds and 5 hours 53 minutes 26 seconds. 8 hours 22 minutes 36 seconds. H. 3 hours 20 minutes 42 seconds and 7 hours 18 minutes 59 seconds. 10 hours 39 minutes 41 seconds. Question 2. Subtract the following: A. 3 hours 26 minutes from 5 hours 30 minutes. 2 hours 4 minutes. B. 10 hours 32 minutes from 12 hours 59 minutes. 2 hours 27 minutes. C. 16 minutes 23 seconds from 20 minutes 48 seconds. 4 minutes 25 seconds. D. 38 minutes 52 seconds from 40 minutes 50 seconds. 1 minute 58 seconds. E. 6 hours 48 seconds from 8 hours 53 seconds. 2 minutes 5 seconds. F. 2 hours 29 seconds from 3 hours 34 seconds. 1 hour 5 seconds. G. 9 hours 42 minutes 9 seconds from 5 hours 2 minutes 59 seconds. 1 hour 20 minutes 50 seconds. H. 7 hours 28 minutes 42 seconds from 9 hours 59 minutes 6 seconds. 2 hours 30 minutes 24 seconds. Conversion. Conversion of days into hours. 1 day 24 hours. Conversion of hours into minutes. 1 hour 60 minutes. Conversion of minutes into seconds. 1 minute 60 seconds. Solved example. Example 1. Convert the following into hours. A. 6 days. B. 82 days 4 hours. Solution. As we know, 1 day equals to 24 hours. A. 6 days equals to 6 into 24 hours equals to 144 hours. B. 82 days, 82 into 24 hours plus 4 hours. 1968 hours plus 4 hours, 1972 hours. Example 2. Convert the following into minutes. A. 8 hours, B. 15 hours 26 minutes. Solution. As we know, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. A. 8 hours equals to 8 into 60 minutes equals to 480 minutes. B. 15 hours 26 minutes. 15 into 60 minutes plus 26 minutes. 900 minutes plus 26 minutes. 900 minutes plus 26 minutes. 926 minutes. Example 3. Convert the following into seconds. A. 29 minutes. B. 16 minutes 18 seconds. Solution. As we know, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. A. 29 minutes equals to 29 into 60 seconds equals to 1740 seconds. B. 16 minutes 18 seconds equals to 16 into 60 seconds plus 18 seconds. 960 seconds plus 18 seconds. 978 seconds. Exercise 11.4. Question 1. Convert the following into hours. A. 12 days, 288 hours. B. 26 days, 624 hours. C. 30 days, 18 hours, 738 hours. D. 15 days, 6 hours, 366 hours. E. 42 days, 5 hours, 1013 hours. Question 2. Complete the following into minutes. A. 5 hours. Answer 300 minutes. B. 18 hours, 1080 minutes. C. 8 hours 19 minutes, 499 minutes. D. 10 hours 42 minutes, 642 minutes. E. 20 hours 30 minutes, 1230 minutes. Question 3. Convert the following into seconds. A. 43 minutes, 2580 seconds. B. 56 minutes, 3360 seconds. C. 28 minutes 53 seconds, 1733 seconds. D. 40 minutes 22 seconds, 2422 seconds. E. 12 minutes 50 seconds, 770 seconds. 24 hours clock time. Some of the departments like railways, airlines, interstate bus service, etc. use a unique timing system. This unique timing system is known as 24 hours clock time. It counts the hour from 1 to 24 instead of dividing the time into AM and PM. Here the time is expressed in digital format in 4 digits. The first 2 digits denote hours and the next 2 digits denote minutes. The midnight time is expressed as either 000 hours or 2400 hours. Representation of times in 2 types of clocks: 12-hour clock time, 24-hour clock time. 1 am 100 hours, 2 am 200 hours, 3 am 300 hours, 4 am 400 hours, 5 am 500 hours, 6 am 600 hours, 7 am 700 hours, 8 am 800 hours, 9 am 900 hours, 10 am 1000 hours, 11 am 1100 hours, 12 noon 1200 hours, 1 pm 1300 hours, 2 pm 1400 hours, 3 pm 1500 hours, 4 pm 1600 hours, 5 pm 1700 hours, 6 pm 1800 hours, 7 pm 1900 hours, 8 pm 2000 hours, 9 pm 2100 hours, 10 pm 2200 hours, 11 pm 2300 hours, 12 midnight 24 hours or 0000 hours. Solved example. Example 1. Change the following 12 hours clock time into 24-hour clock time. A. 12:30 am, B. 4:38 am, C. 6:40 am, D. 1 am, E. 12 noon, F. 2:15 pm, G. 10:11 pm, H. 7:42 pm, I. 3:29 pm, J. 12 midnight, K. 8:12 pm, L. 1:20 pm. Solution: A. 12:30 am, 12:30 hours, B. 4:38 am, 4:38 hours, C. 6:40 am, 6:40 hours, D. 1 am, 100 hours, E. 12 noon, 1200 hours, F. 2:15 pm, 14-15 hours. G. 10-11 p.m. 22 to 11 hours. H. 7:42 p.m. 19:42 hours. I. 3:29 p.m. 15:29 hours. J. 12 midnight 12 hours or 0000 hours. K. 8:12 p.m. 20:12 hours. L. 1:20 p.m. 13:20 hours. Example 2. Change the following 20-hour clock time into 12 hours clock time. A. 29 hours. B. 12:40 29 hours. C. 14:20 hours. D. 500 hours. E. 17:56 hours. F. 18:50 hours. G. 15:15 hours. H. 16:18 hours. I. 2200 hours. J. 1005 hours. K. 2:45 hours. L. 13:20 hours. Solution: 29 hours 12:29 a.m. B. 12:49 hours 12:49 p.m. C. 14:20 hours 2:20 p.m. D. 500 hours 5 a.m. E. 17:56 hours 5:56 p.m. F. 8:15 hours 8:15 a.m. G. 15:15 hours 3:15 p.m. H. 16:18 hours 4:18 p.m. I. 2200 hours 10 p.m. J. 105 hours 10:05 a.m. K. 2:45 hours 2:45 a.m. L. 13:20 hours 1:20 p.m. Exercise 11.5. Question 1. Change the following 12 hours clock time into 24 hours clock time. A. 12:35 a.m. 35. B. 2:36 a.m. 2:36. C. 4:29 a.m. 4:29. D. 3:20 a.m. 3:20. E. 1:12 a.m. 1:12. F. 3:45 15:45. G. 4:12 p.m. 16:12. H. 6:20 p.m. 18:20. I. 10 p.m. 22. J. 11:20 p.m. 23:22. K. 5:06 p.m. 17:16. L. 12 midnight 0000. Question 2. Change the following 20 hours clock time into 12 hours clock time. A. 0042 hours 12:42 a.m. B. 12:52 hours 12:52 p.m. C. 12:20 hours 12:20 p.m. D. 6:28 hours 6:28 a.m. E. 18:45 hours 6:45 p.m. F. 15:50 hours 3:50 p.m. G. 17:17 hours 5:17 p.m. H. 10:27 hours 10:27 a.m. I. 2000 hours 8 p.m. J. 24 hours 12 p.m. K. 2:25 hours 2:25 a.m. L. 0000 hours 12 a.m. Time duration. Time duration means how much time an activity takes to complete a task. Time duration: finishing time minus starting time. Finishing time: starting time plus time duration. Starting time: finishing time minus time duration. Solved example. Example 1. Find the time duration between 4 a.m. and 10 p.m. Solution: Step 1. Convert 10 p.m. into 24-hour clock time. 10 p.m. 10 plus 2 equals to 22 hours. Step 2. Subtract 4 from 22. 22 minus 4 equals to 18 hours. Time duration: 18 hours. Example 2. Rajat went to market at 13 hours. He came back home after 2 hours. At what time he come back to his home? Solution: finishing time, starting time plus time duration. 13 hours plus 2 hours, 1500 hours. To know the time in AM or PM, convert it into 12-hour clock time. 1500 hours, 3 PM. Does Rajat come back to his home at 3 p.m.? Example 3. Sona left her house for school at 7:15 a.m. and she reached school at 7:30 a.m. How much time did she take to reach school from her house? Solution: time duration, finishing time minus starting time. 7:30 a.m. minus 7:15 a.m. 15 minutes. Thus, Sona takes 15 minutes to reach school from her house. Exercise 11.6. 1. Find the time duration between A. 12 noon and 5:15 p.m. 5 hours 15 minutes. B. 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. 5 hours. C. 6:55 p.m. and 4:30 a.m. 9 hours 35 minutes. D. 9:30 p.m. and 12 midnight 2.5 hours. Question 2. Karan went to his acting class at 5:15 p.m. and come back home at 6:30 p.m. How much time does he take to come back to his house? 1.25 hours. Question 3. Raj starts his evening walk at 1800 hours. He walks for 1 hour. At what time he finishes his walk? 1900 hours. Question 4. Raj's school starts at 7:30 a.m. and closes at 1:30 p.m. How long does the school work? 6 hours. Question 5. Aisha started doing her homework at 5:10 p.m. She finished it at 6:30 p.m. How long did she take to finish her homework? 13 hours 20 minutes. Question 6. A JK competition started at 10:30 a.m. and finished at 12:45 p.m. How long did the competition last? 2 hours 15 minutes. Question 7. Rajat took part in a cycle race. The race started at 2:30 p.m. and finished at 2:55 p.m. What was the duration of the race? 25 minutes. Question 8. How many minutes passed between A. 6 o'clock and quarter to 7? 45 minutes. B. Quarter past 8 and 15 minutes to 9. 30 minutes. C. Half past 4 and quarter past 5. 45 minutes. D. 1 o'clock and quarter past 1. 15 minutes. Think wisely. A clock is so placed that its minute hand points towards the northeast at 12 noon. In which direction does its hour hand point at 1:30 p.m.? Mental maths. Answer the following. 1. 20:35 hours equals to dash in 12-hour clock. 2. How many minutes are there between 3:40 a.m. and 4:25 a.m.? 3. It takes me 15 minutes to walk to my school. If I leave at 7:30 a.m., I would reach the school at 4. What time will it be hour after 3:30 a.m.? 5. What time will it be hours after 12 noon? Maths lab activity. Materials required: paper, pencil. Steps 1. This activity can be done individually. 2. Here is a blank timeline. Use it to make your personal timeline of a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.